This is Stephanie from statisticshowto.com, and in this video I'll show you how to find a range in Excel. I've entered my data into two columns. I have two different data sets. Set 1 is in column A and set 2 is in column B. Click the Data tab. Click Data Analysis. If you don't see Data Analysis, you need to load the Data Analysis toolpack. Click Descriptive Statistics, then click OK. For the input range, select your data set or your data sets. My data is grouped by columns, and I have labels in the first row. That's the column headers over here. For the output range, I'm just going to select an area over to the right of my data and click the Summary Statistics checkbox. Click OK. And there's my range for dataset 1 and my range for dataset 2. That's how to find a range in Microsoft Excel. Visit us at statisticshowto.com for more Excel tips and videos.